I'm going to walk through using dataloader to export the current list of products from Salesforce into a spreadsheet. So I haven't used dataloader on this particular org before. I'm going to open up a new tab, go in there, and log in with Salesforce. So I'm already logged in to my org here, which if I'm in the same browser, it should just log in. Production, yes. Log in. Okay. Sure. Okay. If we look at the list of products, I don't have a huge list here. All the products, there's a dozen. I'm going to focus on getting these specific data points out of here. So if we look at it, I want the product name, product code, even though they're the same. I also want the product description, which is listed here. So we're going to go ahead and, I'm sorry, here's the product description down here. I thought it was missing. I don't know why it's down there. I'm also going to try and grab the price books. I haven't done this with price books yet. I'm going to see if I can grab the price books too. Be interesting to see. But anyway, I made a short list here of things that I'm going to try and export to a spreadsheet. We'll just do an export. Oh, whoops. I don't want to do that. New task, export. Yeah, export. And it's going to be related to the product. So you can pick any category. Obviously, there's quite a few. Okay, there we go. And there's the price book. So I'm not sure how this is going to work, if it's going to let me export the price book or not. All right, so this is where I get to check my list, right? I have my wish list of stuff that I want on the spreadsheet, things that I might update. So we'll go product ID. I'm looking for product code, product name, product description. There should be product price and price. I can get into that later why there's two, but let's just see. There's product price. I don't see the word price as a single item, so I'll just focus on this. Product cost, I want that. I think there's weight, and I didn't get one of them. Which one would I? Oh, product type. I want to get product type. There we go, product type. And I like to also make sure everything's active, so you can see how this gets created as well. Okay, so make sure I got everything I need here. Is there any way to get price book? I don't see it here. I'm guessing there's a way to go about doing price book, but for this demo, we'll just ignore price book. Okay, there's a dozen records. I'm gonna save and run. I'm gonna pause this for a second because it does take a second. So I waited like 5 minutes and just realized that all you had to do was kind of click away from it and click back, and I think it's here. There, it's downloaded the document here. So I will just move this over so you can see it. So what you can do here, I probably should have done this, is just create like an empty field that you could take a look at. So for instance, if you had created an empty field called, dimensions or something like that, you could fill in that field here and you would see how it's named. And then this way, when you go and re-upload this spreadsheet using the reverse process, which is to upload it, it's going to overwrite these products with the new information that's contained in this document, in this spreadsheet. And maybe you're not familiar, but just it's worth noting that when you see these product IDs, this is the UUID that Salesforce uses. So every one of them is unique. So let's just say here, we'll click on this guy, copy it. In Salesforce, let's just say you're at the home. Oops. We'll go to products like this. I just want to show you how this looks. You see here, this is the UUID right here. So at any time you can paste in the UUID of another product and it will it'll show it to you. So that's what this value is here. This is how Salesforce keeps track of it. That's the UUID. So you don't want to tinker with the UUID. You want to leave that alone. Here's a product that is not active. Not a bad idea to just make it active. But I think you get the idea. You can come in here, manipulate the spreadsheet, and then when you re-upload it back into Salesforce, it will override these UUIDs, right, with the new information that you've provided here. Hope this helps.